Strength of acids and bases. pH scale. With the use of universal indicator, the nature of the solution can be obtained. And to measure the hydrogen ion concentration in the solution, pH scale is developed. pH scale is a strip of different colors, each marked with unique numbers from 0 to 14. The value on pH scale is called pH value. If the pH value is 7, then the solution is neutral. If the pH value is less than 7, then the solution is acidic in nature. For stronger acid, the pH value is lower, and for weaker acid, the pH value is higher but less than 7. If pH value is greater than 7, then the solution is basic in nature. For stronger base, the pH value is higher, and for weaker base, the pH value is lower but more than 7. pH paper. Generally, paper manufactured using universal indicator is called pH paper, which is used for measuring the pH. This paper is dipped into the solution. Being universal indicator, it shows color change. The changed color is matched with the pH scale, and the respective value indicate the strength of the solution. Importance of pH in and around you. pH of rainwater. Ideally, the pH of rainwater should be 7, as water is neutral. If the pH of rainwater is less than 7, then it indicates that rainwater is acidic. Such rainwater, when mixed in river water, lowers the pH of the water. This lowering in pH value of river water lead to damage of aquatic life, plants and animals. pH of mouth. Tooth enamel is made up of hard substance, calcium phosphate. During night, the food particles left in the mouth are degraded by bacteria and lead to production of acid with pH less than 6 in the mouth. This acid corrodes the tooth, leading to tooth decay. The toothpaste is made up of basic solution, which neutralizes the effect of acid and prevents tooth decay. Acidity. Hydrochloric acid is released in the stomach to digest the food. If the hydrochloric acid is produced in excess, then irritation in the stomach is observed. Such condition is called acidity. Acidity can be controlled by using antacids such as baking soda.